Vanakkam my dear students, welcome back to our 8th mathematics online class. Okay, in the before video what we saw, we completed exercise 1.3 9th sum. So in this section we are going to see 10th one and then next continuous sums. Okay, so go to your class. So 10th one, find the length of a room whose area is 153 by 10 square meter and whose breadth is 211 by 20 meter. So what they given, there is one room, that area is given 153 by 10 square meter and also they given the breadth 211 by 20 meter. So what you are going to find? Length of the room we are going to find. Okay, so right, they are given first. Breadth of the room 211 by 20 meter. So convert, this is in QR by D, convert into improper fraction. 2 20s are 40, 40 plus 11, 51 divided by 20 meter. So and also they given area of the room. Area of the room equal to 153 divided by 10 meter square. So we already know the room is in rectangle shape. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth square units. So write the formula. Area of the room equal to length L into B square units. Now substitute that values, given values. So area of the room, substitute 153 by 10. L length we are going to find, right as it is, into, write the breadth 51 by 20. 51 by 20. Okay, so we are going to find the unknown value L. So the unknown value always should be in the right hand side. Okay, L into 51 by 20 equal to 153 by 10. So here 51 by 20 is in multiply. It goes to the right hand side, means it will divide. Otherwise we write the reciprocal of 51 by 20. What is the reciprocal of 51 by 20? 20 by 51, So write here. So L equal to 153 by 10 into 20 by 51. Now you have to cancel. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 51 is a 51. Once I may directly cancel, I will cancel with 3 table. Okay. So 51 ones are 51 3s are. So here the remaining is 3 into 2 in the numerator. Here the denominator 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 1 you will get. So 1 into 1 only, So 3 into 2 will get last. So L equal to 3 2s are 6 meter. Therefore the length of the room equal to 6. Write the units without forgetting. So length of the room equal to 6 meter. Did you understand the sum? Shall we move on to next one? Next we are going to see challenging problems. Okay. So first one, show that 7 by 9 minus 5 divide by 4 by 3 whole divide by 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 2 we are going to show. Okay, so next first whenever they ask show that problems, first you have to take LHS and next you have to take RHS. Here they given RHS in the simplest form. So no need to take RHS here. First take the LHS and simplify. You will get the RHS side what we have minus 2 at the last step. Okay, so now take LHS 7 by 9 minus 5 divide by 4 by 3 divide by 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So now we are going to simplify the inner brackets first. Okay, so see, come along with me, then you can understand more easily. Okay, 7 by 9, here you have 5, So 5 means what is the denominator here? Good, 5 divided by 1. Okay, so here the 9, here you have denominator 9. So this also must become the denominator as 9. So you have to multiply and divide with 9. Then only you will get 9 in the denominator, So 7 minus 5 9s are 45. 45 divided by 9. So 7 by 9. 5 9s are 45 divided by 9. Okay. Next write 4 by 3 as it is 4 by 3. Write remaining that rational numbers as it is. Next, so here the denominator becomes same 9. So subtract the numerator. 7 minus 45. 7 minus 45, what will you get? Minus 38. Okay. So minus 38 by 9 divide by 4 by 3. Write remaining rational numbers as it is. So minus 38 by 9 divide by 4 by 3 now. Here divide by means that will take reciprocal. You know, here also you have rational number. This 4 by 3 goes to the numerator and it will take reciprocal. So 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. So minus 38 by 9 into. So here in divide, if you change this divide into multiply, you are going to write reciprocal of this. So into 3 by 4. So write a divide by 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So here it is possible now, you can cancel. So in 3 table 3 1s are 3 3s are. In 2 table you will cancel, you know, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. See the remaining minus 19 into 1 minus 19. Denominator 3 2s are 6. Divide by 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. Okay. So here also you got divide. So you have to apply BODMAS here. Already we studied in 7th standard, you know, BODMAS. So here bracket of division, multiply, addition, subtraction. So here you have to take first division, isn't it? So division is there, addition is there, subtraction is there. What you have to do first? Divide. So divide, change it into multiply. Whenever you change this into multiply, you have to write reciprocal of 3 by 2. Okay. So minus 19 by 6 into 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. Plus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So here it is possible to cancel, you will cancel. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So minus 19 into 1 minus 19. In the denominator 3 into 3 you will get 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So here that the denominator plus and minus, you know, you can do directly. 9. Here the denominator is 3. So what you have to do now? Multiply and divide with 3. So you will get the 3 1s are 3. The denominator will become 9, you know. So minus 19 plus 4. Here you have minus 3 divided by 9 is the LCM for this. So okay, so minus 19 plus 4 you will get minus 15. Minus 15 minus 3 minus 18 divide by 19. So you can cancel this in 9 table itself. 9 1s are 9 2s are. Here you have minus 2 by 1. Minus 2 by 1 is nothing but minus 2. So what they asked to prove? Minus 2 only, no, which is equal to RHS. Hence we proved this. Do you understand, children? Second one, if A walks 7 by 4 kilometer and then jogs 3 by 5 kilometer. Find the total distance covered by A. How much did A walk rather than jog? So I will give some simple example. You can understand more. Ravi is a person. He walked 5 kilometer and jogged 2 kilometer. How much total he walked and jogged? How much distance he covered now? What will you say? 5 plus 2, 7 kilometer. He said, you know, the same only here also. Then how much he walked rather than he jogged. How much he walked? Now the difference between walking and jogging you are going to find. So how we find 5 minus 2, you will get 3 kilometers. So 3 kilometers he walked rather than jogged. It is in numbers. So in rational numbers, how we are going to do that only in this sum we are going to see. Okay. So A is a person. He walked how much distance? 7 by 4 kilometer distance. And then he jogs 3 by 5 kilometer. So we are going to find total distance covered by A. So how much distance totally A is covered? Now what you have to do? Add both walking, the distance walked and then distance jogged. We are going to add both. And then how much did A walk rather than jog? So rather than jog, how much distance is covered by A to walk we are going to find. Is it clear? So see the one. A distance walked by A. How much distance walked by A? 7 by 4 kilometer. Then distance jogged by A equal to 3 by 5 kilometer. So first we write the given. So first subdivision they are asked to find total distance covered by A. So 7 by 4 plus 3 by 5. Here the denominators are different. So you have to take LCM. 4 and 5, what is the LCM? 20. So I can do directly. So 5 divided by 5. Here 4 divided by 4. So 7 5s are 35 by 20 plus 3 4s are 12 by 20. Now the denominators become same. You can add the numerators directly. So 35 plus 12 divided by 20. What is 35 plus 12? 47. So 47 by 20 kilometer. So total distance covered by A equal to 47 by 20 kilometer. So next, what they asked to find? How much A walked rather than he jogged? No. So we are going to find the distance covered by A by walk rather than jog. Now we have to subtract both. 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Here also the LCM for 4 and 5 the LCM is 20. So here 5 by 5, here 4 by 4. So 7 5s are 35. Here you have minus, right, minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 20. So 35 minus 12, what will you get? 23, no? So 23 divided by 20 kilometer. The more distance A walked rather than jog equal to 23 by 20 kilometer. Is it understood? Third one, in a map, if 1 inch refers to 120 kilometer. So 1 inch refers to 120 kilometer. Then find the distance between B and C, which are 4 1 by 6 inches and 3 1 by 3 inches from the city A, which is in between the cities B and C. So if you understand the sum clearly, you will get easily the answer. Okay. So A is one city which is in between cities B and C. So draw one line here. B, C. So in between one city is there, that is city A. So from the city A, B is 4 by 6 inches apart. So from the city A, B is 4 1 by 6 inches apart. Okay. Then from the same city A, C, how much? 3 1 by 3 inches apart. Is it clear, my children? So A is a city which is in between B and C. So B and C in between A is there. They given from A that B is 4 1 by 6 inches apart, and then C is 3 1 by 3 inches apart. What they asked to find the distance between B and C. So we are going to find the distance between B and C. So we know the distance between A and B, and we know the distance between A and C. So we are going to find the total distance B to C. What we have to do, any idea? Just we add both these two distances, we will get the distance between B and C, you know. So that only we are going to do now. So write the given first. 1 inch equal to 120 kilometer. Distance between A and B, they given how much? 4 1 by 6 inches. Next, distance between A and C, they given 3 1 by 3 inches. They ask the distance between B and C. So we are going to add both. So 4 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3. So here you have mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 6. So plus is there, write the plus. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. So here the denominators are different. So you have to take LCM. For 3 and 6, what is the LCM? Definitely 6 will be the LCM, you know. So here you have 6. So here you have only 3. So what you have to do? Into 2 by 2. Now 25 by 6 plus 10 2s are 20, 3 2s are 6. So now the denominators become same. You can add directly the numerators. 25 plus 20 divide by 6. What is 25 plus 5 plus 20? 45. So 45 by 6 inches. So we got the answer in 45 by 6 inches. But they given 1 inch equal to 120 kilometers. So for that we are going to convert that inches into kilometer. So 45 by 6 into 1 inch now 120 kilometer. So into 120 kilometer. Cancel this in 6 table itself. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12. Write the 0. So 45 into 20, you will get 900 kilometer. Therefore, distance between B and C equal to 900 kilometer. I think all of you understood very well. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, my dear children.